Hello everyone, this is me, Roberto Monico Ignacio speaking here, as well as my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Hui. And today, we will be talking about a CATHAY Pacific Airbus A330-300 that flew to Xiamen from Hong Kong. And then she took her flight number 63940 with a great circle distance of 496 kilometers, actual flight of 54 minutes, a ground speed of 900 kiloknots, and a track of 343 degrees, as you can see it here. This aircraft is registered as Bravo Hotel Lima Papa, and this aircraft is special for being the Jakarta jet because HLP is the IATA code of Jakarta Airport. I mean the older one, not CGK. So, this aircraft took off at 4:44 in the morning, local time in HK, in the third runway. And then she arrived at runway 97. You can see it here. Runway 97 at exactly 5:38 a.m. local time in Xiamen. So, she is most likely to get her new CATHAY Pacific titles, which are slightly bigger than the original in the 2015 livery. So, for the details of Bravo Hotel Lima Papa, kindly check the previous video about this aircraft. So, that is a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, as well as the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. All by me, Roberto Monico Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Hui. Bye guys, and see you on the next update.